Welcome to our video on exploring the advantages of investing in a dropshipping store. In this video, we will provide essential information for beginners looking to venture into this exciting business model. Before we dive into the advantages, let's first understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the store owner doesn't have to worry about inventory or shipping logistics. One of the biggest advantages of investing in a dropshipping store is the low startup costs. Unlike traditional retail businesses, you don't need to invest heavily in inventory upfront. Instead, you only need to pay for the products when you've actually made a sale. This makes it an ideal option for individuals with limited funds who want to start their own online business. Another advantage of dropshipping is the flexibility it offers. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing you to work remotely or travel while managing your store. Additionally, dropshipping allows for scalability without the constraints of physical space. As your business grows, you can easily expand your product range without the need for a larger warehouse or additional staff. When you have a dropshipping store, you have access to a wide selection of products to sell. Unlike a traditional store, you are not limited by physical space or the need to purchase inventory upfront. This means you can offer a diverse range of products to cater to different customer preferences and target various niche markets. With dropshipping, you can focus more on marketing and growing your business rather than worrying about inventory management. Since you don't need to purchase inventory upfront, you eliminate the risk of being stuck with unsold products. This allows you to allocate more resources and time to effectively market your store, attract customers, and increase sales. In conclusion, investing in a dropshipping store offers many advantages for beginners. From low startup costs and flexibility to a wide selection of products and less risk, dropshipping allows individuals to enter the e-commerce space and build a successful online business. We hope this video has provided you with essential information to get started on your dropshipping journey.